pen, no book. Just listen, speak and learn. Fluent speakers are not smarter, they just practice differently. In this video, we learn basic question and answering conversation. So, let's get started. Have you seen my phone? Is it the one on the table over there? Oh, yes. Thank you for helping me find it. I am feeling a bit cold. Would you like me to close the window? Yes, please. That would be nice. What are we having for dinner? We are having soup tonight. Sounds delicious. I love pasta. I need to buy some groceries. Do you want to go to the market or the supermarket? The supermarket might have more options. My head hurts a little. Maybe you should rest or drink some water. I think I will thank you for the advice. Let's go after lunch then. I need to do my homework. What subject do you have homework in? Chemistry. It's not my favorite. I lost my keys. Have you checked your bag? Found them. They were in my coat pocket. What time is it the movie? It starts at 7 p.m. We should leave soon to get good seats. I want to make a salad. Do you need help chopping the vegetables? Yes, please. That would be great. It's my birthday next week. Really? Do you have any plans? I am thinking of having a small party. My phone battery is low. There's a charger in the living room. Thanks, I will use it now. I am reading a new book. What's it about? It's a mystery novel, very suspenseful. I am feeling a bit tired today. Maybe an early night would be help. The coffee is very hot. Be careful not to burn yourself. Maybe wait a bit before drink it. I will let it cool down for a few minutes. Do you have a pen I could borrow? Sure, here you go. Thank you. I will return it after class. I forgot to bring my lunch. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.